With lots of kids and lots of beds, I'm constantly struggling to find sheets and mixing up fitted sheets and pillowcases when I need to make a bed. It's frustrating, and it looks messy in our ridiculously small linen closet. So when I discovered sheet organizers exist, I had to get my hands on some. I bought sets of 2 different highly rated brands, the DIMJ and the SpaceAid, so I could show you the pluses and minuses of each. So here goes. Sitting next to each other, you can see that the SpaceAid is a little more compact. The set of 6 piled up was a couple inches shorter than the pack of DIMJ organizers. Let's try putting sheets in. Here is the SpaceAid. I love that the flaps are so simple and the zipper is thick and high quality. This really couldn't have been easier. The DIMJ is very similar, but there are more flaps to deal with, and they are just a little bit less intuitive to use. The zipper is also thinner and gets stuck easier. But I love that the DIMJ includes a strap for easy access and a large window so I can see the sheets on both the long side and the short, so these work either way. Both make the space look much more tidy. Overall, I think I preferred the SpaceAid because I think they're a little higher quality and better designed, with simpler flaps and better hardware. But the DIMJ are very nice as well, and I do love the included handles for easier access. Links are in the description if you want to check out either of these organizers. Which ones do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. And if this review is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more home product comparisons.